Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to tell you the syllabus of third semester General English Maharaja Bundelkhand University for third semester. तो आज मैं थर्ड सेमेस्टर का इंग्लिश का जो सिलेबस MCBU में महाराजा बुंदेलखंड यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाया जाता है उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन मैं आपको दे रही हूँ इस वीडियो में। द वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज़ अबाउट टेंसेस। तो पहला आपको चैप्टर है इस सिलेबस में टेंसेस का, विच इज़ इट्स स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड रूल्स। तो जितने भी नियम होते हैं टेंस के, टाइप्स होते हैं, उस बारे में ये पूरा आपको पढ़ना है। सेकेंड चैप्टर इज़ अबाउट वॉइस। Voice means active voice and passive voice conversions. So all the rules of transformation relating to active and passive conversions will be covered in this topic. The third one is analysis of sentences. Analysis of sentences contains two parts. The first part you need to study about is main clause, subordinate clauses. You have to underline them, you have to find their types. So main clause, subordinate clause, coordinate clause and phrases, clauses, the whole description has to be covered in this topic. The second topic in this chapter is the essay writing and story writing, which is told by the university to be studied in this chapter. The fourth chapter is about reordering of sentences. So sentences reordering, that means arranging all the sentences in a proper order, will be the exercise which you need to do in this chapter. So this is the fourth one, and the fifth one is the classroom speech and group discussion. So what are the essential characteristics of classroom speeches and what are the essential characteristics of group discussion? What will you call a group discussion as a good one? Which group discussion will be called as a good one? Which speech is impressive? So all the various characteristics and qualities of classroom speeches and the group discussions will be covered in this, and you will be asked about the theoretical question, because the question paper is a theoretical one. Therefore you will have to write the various characteristics of a GD and speech, and there are also questions in which you have to frame a certain speech as if they are spoken by 4 to 5 people, and you will be given a topic as they are giving you an essay, and keeping in mind that topic you have to frame 5 characters, 5 people who are talking among themselves and trying to discuss a certain topic which is given in the question paper, and you have to write that whole discussion theoretically in your answer sheets. So this is how the various 5 chapters are there, and of course you will be having 5 questions to answer in your final exams. So this was a syllabus all about the third semester General English syllabus. I'll be presenting the other semester syllabus also in the various videos which I'm going to upload. So keep watching and keep studying. Stay blessed. One more note is there, that in addition to the above questions, you may be asked various aspects related with this paper. This means that all the English, foundation English grammar, suppose whatever you have studied in the first semester, whatever you have studied in the second semester, that can also be asked in your third semester, because you cannot just simply argue that you haven't studied all that. So all of that could be basically asked in this syllabus also. So this was all. So I'm signing off. Kirti Vishwakarma signing off. Bye bye for now.